The Indian subcontinent, home to over a billion people, a stunning array of languages, cultures, and traditions. But beneath this rich tapestry of diversity lies an even more remarkable story. The story of the first humans who arrived here and shaped its history. Today, we embark on an incredible journey that will take us back in time, retracing the footsteps of our ancestors as we unravel the captivating tale of human migration into the Indian subcontinent. Are you ready? Let's go. Our journey begins over 70,000 years ago, when the first wave of modern humans, known as Homo sapiens, left Africa and ventured into the unknown. These intrepid explorers were driven by an innate desire to seek new lands, resources, and opportunities. They had several options to cross Africa through the Iberian Peninsula, via Gibraltar, Sicily, or Sinai. But due to the lower sea levels during the last ice age and the presence of Neanderthals in these regions, our ancestors chose a more direct route, crossing the Red Sea into the Arabian Peninsula. These ancient travelers reached South Asia by around 50,000 years ago. But to their surprise, they found that Indian subcontinent was already home to early hominid species, who had been thriving there for hundreds of thousands of years. Faced with this unexpected challenge, our ancestors had two options. One, they could take the sub-Himalayan route to travel to Southeast Asia and East Asia. Or two, follow the coastal route to settle down in Indian peninsula. They took both of these options and few of them left to the East Asia and few of them settled to the west coast of Indian peninsula. The same people eventually ended up in Andaman Islands as well, and their genetic information gives us so much more information about the early migration of humans into our homeland. By 35,000 years ago, these early Homo sapiens had successfully established their dominance over the Indian subcontinent, driving the other hominid species back into the deep jungles, and laying the groundwork for the cultures that would follow. Following their successful establishment in the Indian subcontinent, these early Homo sapiens continued to evolve, adapt, and thrive. Over thousands of years, they gave rise to a unique population known as the Ancient Ancestral South Indians, or ASI for short. The ASI were hunter-gatherers who lived in harmony with their environment, developing a deep connection with the land and its resources. As they expanded and intermixed with indigenous population, their genetic lineage became an integral part of the region's diverse genetic landscape. But what happened between 35,000 years ago and the foundation of the Indus Valley Civilization? A complex series of events unfolded, including the arrival of Iranian farmers who would play a crucial role in shaping the region's history. Around 9,000 years ago, a group from the Zagros mountain in present-day Iran migrated to the Indian subcontinent. These people brought with them advanced farming techniques and new crop varieties, which revolutionized agriculture in the region. The introduction of advanced agriculture led to the rise of farming communities, increased trade, and eventual formation of complex urban societies, like the Indus Valley Civilization. Just to note, these humans were perhaps the main ancestors of the modern-day South Asian groups. One of the most fascinating discoveries in recent years has been the analysis of ancient DNA found in Rakhigarhi, a major city of the Indus Valley Civilization. This DNA evidence provides crucial insights into the genetic makeup of the people who lived in this ancient civilization. A groundbreaking study titled "An Ancient Harappan Genome Lacks Ancestry from Steppe Pastoralist or Iranian Farmers" revealed that the people of Indus Valley civilizations were not heavily influenced by steppe pastoralists or Iranian farmers, contrary to the earlier theories. Instead, the Rakhigarhi DNA suggests that the people of Indus Valley Civilization were a unique population that emerged from the intermixing of the ASI and the descendants of Iranian farmers. This genetic combination, along with the adoption of advanced agricultural techniques, laid the foundation for one of the world's first urban civilizations. Although The Indus Valley Civilization was not heavily influenced by steppe pastoralists. Their DNA would eventually become an important part of the genetic makeup of the Indian subcontinent. So, how did this happen? Around 4,000 years ago, steppe pastoralists from the Eurasian steppes began migrating to various parts of South Asia. These nomadic herders brought with them new technologies, languages, and cultural practices that would leave a lasting impact on the region. These are the same people who brought Vedic culture to the Indian subcontinent. The same people who brought horses to the Indian subcontinent. We talked about it in the earlier video. Over time, as the steppe pastoralists intermingled with the local population, their DNA became integrated into the genetic fabric of the Indian subcontinent. This genetic mixing played a significant role in shaping the diverse and complex gene pool of the region. Today, the genetic makeup of the Indian subcontinent is a beautiful mosaic of the various periods of migration and the myriad populations that have called this land home. From the earliest human migrations out of Africa to the arrival of the ASI, the Iranian farmers, and the steppe pastoralists, each wave of migration has left its mark on the region's DNA. This incredible tapestry of genetic diversity is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of our species, as well as the rich history and cultural heritage that defines the Indian subcontinent. As we look back at these remarkable chapters of human history, we can't help but wonder, what stories do our own genes have to tell? By understanding the journey of our ancestors, we not only celebrate our shared humanity, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity and interconnectedness of our world. So if you belong to the Indian subcontinent, remember that your DNA carries the legacy of tens of thousands of years of human migration, adaptation, and cultural exchange, living testament to our species' remarkable journey through time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.